Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will tell you how you can install the Fedora Workstation 44 in your VMware. Okay, so just search on the Google Fedora ISO download and come on the first link, just click on it, and then you have to just click on this download icon you can see here. So just click on it and it will start downloading the ISO image. Okay, so already I have downloaded in my system, so I'll just show you. uh, you can see here it's Fedora Workstation 44 1.7. Okay, so here you can see it's coming again. Okay, to download, so I will just cancel it now at this moment. Okay, now you just open up your VMware and just you need to click on this create a new virtual machine. Then you can just do the next and select your ISO image. So I will just select the ISO image, which is Fedora one. Click on open, do next, and yeah, you can keep it as 1 to 64-bit. That's fine, it works. You can give the name as Fedora and the location where you want to install. So I will just copy this location, so I am going to change. If you also want to change, you can just change, click on this browse button, you can select your a particular location, or you can just paste the direct path. Okay, that also you can do. Okay, so now just do the next and give the space as around any means. I will be giving up to 50 GB. After that I will just do the next, and in customized hardware you can just provide the RAM up to here around 4 GB, and processors also you can give up to 8. Yeah, that's fine, just close it and do finish. Okay, so once you will finish, it will create your VM. Okay, yeah, right here. So now it's time to just power on this virtual machine, so just click on it so that it will open, it will start your basically Fedora. Okay, and yeah, just click here, and with your four keys you can just scroll a bit up and just hit enter. Okay, so now it will start your Fedora OS. You will get a UI to select your language and all everything. It will take few 5-6 minutes of time, so you need to just wait. Okay, okay, so here it comes. You need to just wait. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so now you will basically get a pop-up. So for that also you can just wait few more seconds. So here you can see this pop-up came. Okay, so now just click on this install Fedora Linux. Okay, so once you will click, it will again take a few seconds of time to open up, to select your language and all. So just wait for it. Okay, okay, so here it comes, it's initializing now. So you need to just wait again a few more seconds. Yeah, so now here you can just select your language. So just search for the English, and here you can just scroll up and select as per your country. I'll be selecting India at this moment, and just do the next. And here also you can do the next, then do next, and yeah, review and install. You can see 51.5 GB slash home and all those things. Okay, so just erase data and do install. So now it will do some storage configuration, software installation, system, then finalization. Okay, so I'll be just pausing the video as it's going to take around 10-15 minutes of time. So once it will be done, I will be just back. Okay, so storage configuration is completed. So now, okay, software installation is also started now. So 1%, so it will also take few more seconds, few more minutes hopefully. So let's just wait for it to complete. Okay, so software installation is also completed. So now system configuration in progress. So just wait for it. Yes, so both the steps is completed again. So now it's you can see successfully installed. Just you can just click on this exit to live desktop. Okay, and now just right click here, go in power, and you start the guest. Okay, just click on this restart button. and it will basically restart your Fedora. Then we will be setting up the user and password, selecting language and all. Okay, so let's just wait until the screen appears. Log. Okay, so it comes to screen. Just now we have to just click on the start setup, and location services you can just turn it off and do the next. Time zone you can just select. You can select maybe yeah, India will be selecting. Uh, okay, yeah, Kolkata, that's fine. Just do the next. Enter the username. Yeah, username I use is fine. Hmm. Do next. Set up the password. Okay, again do next. Yeah, you can now start using the Fedora Linux. Okay, so here it comes again. Yeah, so you can just take a tour or you can skip at this moment. So I'm just skipping now. So here you can see all the apps and all here. Default Fedora application. You can just open the terminal here and you can run whatever commands you want to run. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so you can just do ls. You can see the version and all. OS release. So you can see here Fedora Workstation 44. It is there. Okay. So yeah, in this way you can just install the Fedora in VMware. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. And if you face any issue, you can ask in the comment section. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one.